The Eighth Amendment to the U.S. Constitution provides protection from excessive bail and fines and protection from cruel and unusual punishment. Both the Texas Constitution and Texas Code of Criminal Procedure provide additional protections related to these topics. The Texas Constitution and the CCP are more specific than the Eighth Amendment. They state that all prisoners are eligible for bail except for capital offenses when proof is evident, and further clarify that the right to bail does not prohibit denial of bail after a defendant has been indicted by a grand jury for a felony. Further, the Texas Constitution goes into great detail regarding specific exceptions to the right to bail. In other words, when bail may be denied. These include, for instance, being arrested for a third felony offense after 2 prior felony convictions. Also, being arrested for a felony while out on bond for a prior felony arrest, and being arrested for certain sexual offenses while under state supervision, such as probation or parole. There are additional exceptions to the right to bail in the Texas Constitution for offenses that involve violating conditions of bond and violating a protective order in the case of family violence. Next, both the Texas Constitution and Code of Criminal Procedure protect defendants from being outlawed or involuntarily removed from the state. In other words, as the old saying goes, you can't be run out of town on a rail. Finally, both the Texas Constitution and Code of Criminal Procedure protect defendants from corruption of blood. This is a punishment from England in which those convicted of treason had their lands and property involuntarily seized and were prohibited from passing them on to their children. The idea was that the crime was so heinous that it had corrupted the blood of the family.